Channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have crochet boho passion like twists. So it's funny because I was actually gonna do these twists from scratch, but I'm like not the best twister per se. I'm a better braider. But I forgot who it is. When I remember their name, I'll like tag them. But I saw a video where they did a method, a few videos actually, I saw of other YouTubers doing a method where you plait the root and you can twist the ends, or you just twist the whole thing and you crochet it into the twist. So I was like, okay, time saver method, looks super natural. We're not doing this from scratch. We're gonna try this method. As you guys can see, it came out really, really cute. This hair is from Mayde Beauty, but I'll have everything in the description box below and also put it somewhere on the screen. The name of the hair, how many packs I used, the color, which I believe is HT27, because as you can see, it's darker on the roots, and then the ends are a bit lighter. So it's perfect, really pretty. Wanted to sway away from black because we're transitioning into like spring. So I'm like, all right, let's do something a little bit lighter, a little bit like honey blonde, you know. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this tutorial. So I just blow dried my hair and kind of put it in these dookie twists. I didn't do a whole wash day or anything. It's honestly, my hair's not that dirty. I've just been wearing wigs and I had it braided underneath. So I'm just like, let's just blow dry real quick and then just install another style. So I'm just gonna take these down and begin parting off my sections. That's the first step we're gonna do. We're just gonna like do our little braid down so we have that all ready and prep to go.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last.
Okay guys, so I finished my braid down. It is a new day. It started raining yesterday and I just got tired. So I was like, I'll just finish tomorrow, but let me at least get my braid down done. So yeah, braid down is done. So now we're gonna install the twist. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the hair in its packaging. It's super long. It's Mayde Beauty's Waterfall Jumbo Twist, extra long and 34 inches. The color is HT27. Here it is out the packaging. So you guys can have just a better idea of the color. So as you can see, it's like a dark brown, and then you have like the light little curly pieces, and then the ends get really, really light. Really pretty color. I wanted to try something new, so yeah. But let's pull this out so you guys can see how this is looking. Yeah, I didn't make them too small because like I said, I don't want a lot of hair on my head. They're a little like crunched up from being in the hair tie, but that doesn't matter. Go ahead and I'm gonna do mainly like most of the back first, and then I'll come back and show you guys more of a detailed tutorial on how to do the front, because it's just like easier for me to explain, and like it's just the front. The back is a touch and go situation, you know? So yeah, we'll come back for the front. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to explain how you do this. So you pull the crochet needle through, and then you're gonna take the end of the twist and pull it through that little hole. So your next step, once you tighten, and make sure you tighten all the way so the knot is really, really small. You're gonna take the needle and you're gonna pull it through the base of the hair, and then pull that little twist through one time. Then you're gonna you have to do like a crocheting movement and work the needle through the twist to hide it. So like you're kind of like going, like weaving, like you're weaving in between the twist. You'll get the hang of it eventually. It took me a minute, but like once I got the hang of it, I was moving super fast. Once you reach to the end though, you can just open the twist up a little and just hide it in there. You don't have to crochet that part in.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know still keep a dignity. Can't you, can't you make me feel like we could do? Are you again, all over again. Don't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
That's the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section below if this is a technique you'd want to try or if you tried before. I definitely recommend it. And I also want to say too, I was worried that the hair would like be a little heavy or it'd feel tight because the twists are kind of chunky, but it's actually really, really lightweight. It was pretty easy to sleep on the first night, catch up, do whatever you want to do with it. I'll also have a video probably like in a week or two, probably in a week, of different styles you can do with this as well, and I'll kind of keep you guys up to date on like the longevity of this style, because I am a little worried about the curly pieces getting knotted, but if they do, you can always just like cut them out, I guess. But we'll see, they might not get knotted, who knows, because there's not that much of them. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Love you.